This is the complete guide to Grok AI, the AI assistant from xAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, and the only major AI assistant with real-time access to X data. Grok 3 is the current flagship model, benchmark leading on mathematics and science, with Think Mode for extended reasoning and DeepSearch for multi-step research combining the live web and X. By the end of this video you will know every Grok feature, how Think Mode and DeepSearch work, how to use Grok's X integration for research and analysis that no other AI tool can replicate, how Aurora image generation works, how the xAI API gives developers access to Grok, how Grok compares honestly to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, every pricing plan, and 8 pro tips that produce dramatically better output immediately. Let us get into it. Grok is built by xAI, the artificial intelligence company founded by Elon Musk in July 2023. Grok launched in November 2023 as an exclusive feature for X Premium subscribers. Grok 3, released in February 2025, is the current flagship model and the most capable version of Grok to date. On third-party benchmarks, Grok 3 scores competitively against GPT-4o and Claude on mathematics and coding tasks. The defining characteristic that separates Grok from every other major AI assistant is its native real-time access to X, formerly Twitter. Grok can search, read, and reason about X posts and trends as they happen, not from training data. Think Mode is Grok's extended reasoning capability. When you activate it, Grok works through the problem step by step and shows its reasoning process transparently before delivering the final answer. DeepSearch is the research agent that combines live web search with real-time X data simultaneously, synthesizing results from both sources into a structured report. Grok is accessible at Grok.com, inside the X mobile app, on standalone iOS and Android apps, and through the xAI API. Let me walk through every major Grok feature. Think Mode, Grok's extended reasoning capability. Activate it for any complex question and Grok works through the problem step by step, showing its thinking before delivering the answer. Particularly effective for mathematics, logic, and multi-step analysis. DeepSearch, a multi-step research agent that searches the live web and real-time X data simultaneously, reads the results, and produces a structured research report. X integration, Grok's most unique feature. Search any X post, trending topic, or ongoing conversation in real time. No other major AI assistant has this native capability. Aurora images, text-to-image generation built directly into Grok. Describe an image and Aurora generates it without leaving the Grok interface. Image analysis, upload any image and ask Grok to analyze, describe, extract text, or reason about what it contains. Document analysis, upload PDFs and documents and ask Grok questions about the content. Voice mode, conversational voice interaction for hands-free AI access. And the xAI API, full programmatic access to Grok models for developers building Grok into their own products. Think Mode and DeepSearch are the two features that push Grok beyond basic conversation. Think Mode is best used for tasks where the reasoning process matters, complex mathematics, formal logic problems, intricate multi-step code debugging, and any task where you need to verify the reasoning, not just accept the answer. When Think Mode is active, Grok generates an internal reasoning chain before producing the final response. This chain is shown to you transparently, you can see every step of how Grok arrived at the answer. Think Mode is slower than standard Grok, so use it when output quality matters more than response speed. DeepSearch works differently. Rather than reasoning through a question Grok already knows, DeepSearch goes out to gather new information from two sources at once, the live web and real-time X data. The X data is what sets Grok's DeepSearch apart from every other research agent. While tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT's deep research can search the web, only Grok's DeepSearch includes what people are actually saying on X right now, from expert commentary to breaking news to live public debate. The output is a structured report with citations from both sources. Here is how to get started with Grok AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to Grok.com and sign in with your X account. Free access is included with no card required. X Premium and Super Grok give higher message limits and full feature access. Step 2. Start with a question you already know the answer to. Testing with something verifiable lets you quickly assess how Grok's responses compare to what you expect. Step 3. Enable Think mode for a complex question. Click the Think icon before sending. Watch Grok work through the reasoning step by step. Step 4. Try an X search. Ask Grok about a topic that is currently being discussed on X. Ask what people are saying about a specific topic on X today and see the real-time results. Step 5. Try DeepSearch on a research question requiring current information. Select DeepSearch mode, ask your question, and review the structured report that combines live web and X results. Step 6. Upload a document or image. Click the attachment icon and upload a PDF, spreadsheet, or photo to test Grok's analysis capabilities. Step 7. Try Aurora image generation. Click the image icon or describe a visual scene in your prompt to generate an image directly inside Grok. Here is how to use Grok specifically for real-time X research, the capability that makes it unique among AI assistants. Step 1. Identify the specific topic you want to research. This works best for current news, public debates, product launches, or any story where the X conversation is happening in real time. Step 2. Ask Grok to summarize what is being said about the topic on X in a specific recent time window. The more specific the time frame, the more focused the results. Step 3. Ask Grok to identify the main viewpoints and who holds them. Grok can categorize perspectives across the X conversation and identify the key accounts driving the discussion. Step 4. Use DeepSearch to add web reporting context to what the X conversation is showing. This gives you both the raw public reaction and the media narrative simultaneously. Step 5. Ask Grok to analyze sentiment across the X posts it has read. Is the overall reaction positive, negative, or divided, and why? Step 6. Ask Grok to track how the conversation evolved, when the key shifts happened and what triggered them. Step 7. Ask Grok to format everything as a structured briefing with sections and key quotes that you can share or file. Grok's X integration is the most genuinely unique capability in the AI assistant market. Every other major AI assistant, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity, has access to web search but not to X post data in real time. Grok can search X posts as they happen, read the content of those posts, and reason about what they mean collectively. The most immediately useful questions are: what is trending on X right now and what is driving the trend? What are people saying about a specific topic or public figure today? What is the sentiment on X toward a product launch or news event? What has a specific account posted recently? And how has a particular debate or story evolved on X over the past day? When combined with DeepSearch, X data adds the dimension of real public opinion and real-time reaction to web-sourced reporting and analysis. News articles tell you what journalists say happened. X data tells you how the people most affected by it are actually responding. The practical tip: use grokinsightx.com as you scroll. It is embedded directly in the X interface and can give you context on any post or conversation you encounter. Aurora is XAI's image generation model, built directly into Grok. You access it by clicking the image icon in the Grok interface or by describing a visual scene in a way that triggers image generation. Aurora supports both photorealistic and artistic styles across a wide range of subjects. The practical workflow: describe what you want in plain language, Aurora generates the image, and you can refine with follow-up prompts in the same conversation. Unlike tools that require switching to a separate image platform, Aurora keeps everything in one conversation thread: research, writing, and image creation in the same interface. Common use cases are concept visuals for presentations, illustrations for articles or social content, quick idea exploration before commissioning real design work, and generating visual references. Aurora is available with limited usage on the free tier and with higher usage on paid plans. If you want to benchmark Aurora's quality, run the same prompt in Aurora, DALL-E 3, and Midjourney and compare the outputs directly. The XAI API gives developers programmatic access to Grok models for building Grok into their own products and workflows. Available models through the API include Grok 3, Grok 3 Mini, and Grok 2. The API uses an OpenAI-compatible endpoint format, which means developers already using the OpenAI SDK can migrate to Grok with minimal code changes. Access the API at x.ai/API with paper token pricing for usage. The API supports text generation, image analysis, and document processing, giving developers the same core capabilities available in the Grok interface. Common developer use cases are building internal knowledge assistants, integrating Grok into customer-facing chatbots, automating research and summarization workflows, and adding real-time X data analysis to applications. The OpenAI compatibility is the most important technical detail for most developers. If your application already calls the OpenAI API, you can point it at the XAI endpoint and switch to Grok without rewriting your integration. Free tier API credits are available for developers getting started. Who gets the most value from Grok AI? Journalists and researchers are arguably the highest value users because Grok's real-time X access gives them a source layer that no other AI tool provides. They can research what people are actually saying about a story as it breaks. Social media managers use Grok to track brand mentions and sentiment on X in real time, without manual monitoring or third-party social listening tools. Investors and analysts use Grok to monitor market sentiment on X for signals about public company perception, product reception, and breaking news. Political and communications teams track how a message or event is landing on X across different audiences. Developers use the XAI API to build Grok into products where real-time X analysis or Grok's reasoning capability is needed. PowerX users who spend significant time on the platform use Grok embedded in X to understand context, analyze threads, and research topics without leaving the app. And content creators use Grok to research topics, understand what audiences are engaged with, and find angles that are resonating on X right now. Here is what people are actually doing with Grok right now. A journalist asks Grok what sources and eyewitnesses are saying on X about a breaking story, getting a real-time synthesis of the X conversation alongside the developing news. An analyst uses DeepSearch to combine web reporting and X reaction on a major company announcement, getting both the official narrative and the live market commentary in one report. A brand manager asks Grok to summarize customer sentiment on X in the 24 hours after a product launch, identifying the specific features people are praising or criticizing. A researcher activates Think Mode to work through a complex multi-step argument and reviews the reasoning chain to verify each inference. A developer migrates their existing OpenAI API integration to the XAI API to test whether Grok 3 improves output quality for their specific use case. An investor sets up a daily Grok search to track what key accounts in a specific sector are posting about on X. A content creator uses DeepSearch to find the angles and stories that are gaining the most traction on X this week. And a technical user switches to Grok Think Mode for hard coding problems, using its reasoning capability in the same way they would use OpenAI's O series. Here is the honest comparison. Versus ChatGPT, Grok has real-time X data and is less filtered in its responses. ChatGPT has the GPT store, DALL-E integration, and a much larger ecosystem. Versus Claude, Grok X integration is unique and its Think Mode is competitive. Claude is widely considered to produce superior long-form writing quality and has more consistent extended reasoning. Versus Gemini, Grok has the X data advantage and is not tied to any existing ecosystem. Gemini has deeper integration into Google Workspace for Gmail, Docs, and Drive. Versus Perplexity, Grok's DeepSearch includes X data alongside web sources. Perplexity is faster, has a simpler interface, and returns inline citations more cleanly. Versus Grok 2, Grok 3 has better reasoning, stronger mathematics performance, and Think Mode. Grok 2 is still available and faster for straightforward tasks. Versus Meta AI, Grok has more capable reasoning and the X data advantage. Meta AI is free and embedded in WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook for users already in those platforms. The honest summary, Grok is the best choice when real-time X data access is the deciding factor, for tasks requiring Think Mode reasoning, and for users who want a less filtered AI response. For ecosystem depth, writing quality, or Google integration, other tools lead. 8 tips that consistently produce better output from Grok. 1. Only activate Think Mode for genuinely hard problems. Mathematics, formal logic, complex multi-step analysis. It is slower, so save it for tasks where the extra reasoning earns its time. 2. Be specific in X queries. Include the time frame, the topic, and what you want to know about the sentiment or content. Vague questions get vague X summaries. 3. Use DeepSearch as your default for anything relating to current events. Grok's training data has a cutoff like every other AI. DeepSearch bypasses it with live results. 4. Explicitly ask Grok to combine X and web sources in one query. Asking it to compare the X narrative and the web narrative on the same topic surfaces the gap between public reaction and media coverage. 5. Grok is designed to be less filtered. Use that. Ask the questions that other AI tools deflect or water down. 6. Use GrokInsideX.com as you scroll. It is embedded in the interface. Highlight any post or thread and ask Grok to explain context or analyze the content. 7. Use Aurora for quick concept images directly in the Grok chat. 8. If you are already using the OpenAI API, the XAI endpoint is compatible. Swap the base URL and test Grok 3 against your existing prompts immediately. Grok AI pricing. The free plan at Grok.com gives you access to Grok 3 with a limited number of messages per day. It is enough to experience Grok's capabilities and test the X integration. X Premium at $8 per month includes Grok access through the X app with standard usage limits. This is the right plan if you are already paying for X Premium and want to add Grok to your X experience. Super Grok at $30 per month is the maximum individual plan. Full Grok 3 access with the highest message limits, Think Mode for extended reasoning, DeepSearch for research, Aurora image generation, and priority processing. Super Grok is the plan for anyone using Grok as a primary AI tool and needing all features without usage caps. The XAI API uses pay-per-token pricing for developer access to Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini. Pricing varies by model and is available at x.ai/API. Free tier API credits are available to get started. My recommendation: start free at Grok.com to experience the X integration in Think Mode. Upgrade to Super Grok when the free tier message limits become a constraint. Here is everything you need. Start at Grok.com free access, Grok 3 with limited messages, no card required. Upgrade to Super Grok at $30 per month for full Think Mode, DeepSearch, and maximum limits. Available at x.com/i/premium_sign_up. For developer access, visit x.ai/API for pay-per-token pricing and free starter credits. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Grok AI can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go try the X integration and ask something no other AI can answer. See you in the next one.